On the 28th of September 2025 night in Dubai, India's cricket team scripted history by winning their 9th Asia Cup title. It was a thrilling final against arch-rivals Pakistan, full of tension, drama, and a comeback that showcased not only skill but an entire ecosystem of science and healthcare behind those moments. Led by new captain Suryakumar Yadav, India's triumph was a perfect blend of talent, grit, and cutting-edge sports medicine powered by India's pharmaceutical industry. This is the unseen story behind the victory, the story of resilience backed by recovery science and medical innovation. Under the blazing Dubai lights, Pakistan posted a challenging 146 thanks to dynamic opening innings by Sahibzada Farhan and Fakhar Zaman. India's chase started shakily, losing 3 wickets for just 20 runs early on, a nail-biting start any amateur cricketer would recognize, similar to the jitters before an important exam or a big game. But thanks to integrated medical and mental health support, Captain Suryakumar Yadav and the team stabilized. The players' ability to stay focused under pressure is backed by professional sports psychologists and sometimes pharma-supported anxiety management, tools once accessible only at elite levels but now also helping youth athletes across India. From the physio's calm on the sidelines to hydration strategies formulated with electrolyte formulas by brands like Herbalife and Steadfast Nutrition, science quietly held nerves steady. This was more than talent, it was preparation. Indian batsman Tilak Varma's unbeaten 69, played under the spotlight with extraordinary composure, was made possible through more than just batting skill. His stamina and injury management came from months of treatment for muscle niggles, rehabilitated by pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory drugs and physiotherapy protocols developed by Indian medical teams. Just like a weekend player uses muscle rubs and pain sprays before crucial backyard games, Tilak's team uses lab-tested, anti-doping certified treatments for peak fitness. Partnering with him, Shivam Dube battled past minor injuries to anchor the innings, each step fueled by pharma-backed recovery supplements that replenish vitamins and minerals depleted in hot, physically taxing conditions. The scrappy and fearless Rinku Singh, who hit the winning 4, embodied the success of these recovery protocols. The same glucose drinks and electrolyte sachets used by Team India are now available in local sports stores, democratizing athlete health nationwide. Suryakumar Yadav, stepping up as captain, worked intricately with his coaches and medical staff who used medical analytics, monitoring players' hydration, sleep quality, and muscle fatigue, with wearables and physiological tests. This combination of traditional cricket sense with modern sports medicine allowed strategic bowling changes and workload management to keep the players fresh. Kuldeep Yadav's eye-catching 4-wicket haul was a direct result of years of injury prevention and rehabilitation programs using pharma-led pain management and muscle strengthening. Persistent physiotherapy coupled with anti-inflammatory treatments helped Kuldeep maintain fitness in a sport with some of the highest injury rates, especially for spinners and bowlers dealing with repetitive stress injuries. The technology, science, and medicine guiding the team's physical and mental condition represent the forefront of sports science, adapted and available for all Indian athletes today. Behind every spray and tablet in that dressing room are Indian pharma giants, Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, Zydus, supplying anti-cramp gels, pain relief sprays, vitamins, and nutritional supplements rigorously tested for safety and anti-doping compliance. These companies invest heavily not just in manufacturing but in sports nutrition research, improving formulations that support endurance, quick recovery, and injury prevention. Herbalife and Steadfast Nutrition, official partners for the Indian team, demonstrate pharma's growing role in sports by providing personalized protein blends and scientifically backed hydration formulas, bridging gaps between pro and grassroots sport. The medicines and supplements protecting our superstars are growing increasingly accessible to aspiring athletes, parents, and coaches across India, helping nurture a new generation healthier, stronger, and better prepared. Real player stories of recovery and grassroots benefits. Abhishek Sharma, shining as player of the tournament with 314 runs, battled a troubling back pain mid-tournament. His quick medical clearance followed an effective combo of rest, targeted pharma-led anti-inflammatory drugs, and physiotherapy, the same protocols increasingly available at local sports clinics. Not long ago, Sachin Tendulkar's career-threatening hand injury was treated with advanced gels and surgical expertise that Indian Pharma helped pioneer, transforming pro treatments into household availability. Rishabh Pant's miraculous recovery from severe fractures caused by a car accident, supported by titanium plates and specialized Pharma-aided wound healing, brings hope to all players facing injury. These techniques, once reserved for elite athletes, are now part of expanding community health systems, thanks to clinics inaugurated by stars like Ajinkya Rahane that bring top sports medicine to cities and towns alike. High-stakes pressure affects mind and body alike. The Indian team leans heavily on mental fitness experts, utilizing mindfulness training, digital mood tracking, and safe, carefully supervised pharma treatments to manage stress and anxiety. The mental coaching and apps used by our cricket stars for focus and relaxation have become common aids for millions of students and young athletes nationwide. This support helped players maintain presence of mind during tense spells, vital during the high-pressure chase in the final overs. In the last over, with 10 runs needed, Tilak and Rinku's coolness was remarkable. Their bodies were primed with glucose injections and hydration sachets designed to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat, products stemming from India's pharma research. Each shot, each sprint, was backed by recovery science monitoring muscle oxygenation and fatigue response in real time, ensuring no cramp or strain could derail victory. As the winning runs flew to the boundary, celebrations began not only for their courage but for the collective might of medical science supporting every move. Similar pharma-backed care transforms Indian wrestling, athletics, boxing, and para-sports, enabling faster recoveries and longer careers. With newly opened sports injury clinics, funded and supported by pharmaceutical R&D, the future for young athletes looks bright. From rural villages to national academies, more Indians than ever access professional-grade health advice and medicine supporting dreams of glory. India's Asia Cup victory is more than a trophy, it's proof that modern medicine, nutrition, psychology, and physiology walk hand in hand with talent to create champions. In every bottle of pain relief, every sip of energy drink, every physiotherapy session and mental coaching, a piece of this win resides. Whether on a brilliant stadium pitch or a dusty street game, this story is for every Indian dreaming big. The real champion is science, health, and heart together. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey into India's Asia Cup 2025 victory, a victory powered not just by bat and ball, but by groundbreaking science, dedicated healthcare professionals, and India's thriving pharmaceutical sector. If this story of resilience, recovery, and innovation inspired you, please give this video a like to support our work. Share it with fellow sports and healthcare enthusiasts so more people understand the hidden heroes behind every sporting triumph. Together, let's keep celebrating the power of science and health that drives champions. Jai Hind.